In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your team name on Asana in just 5 minutes. Changing a team name is a common need, whether you're simply rebranding or your team's focus has shifted. Now, let's walk through this process step by step to make sure everything goes smoothly. First things first, you need to log into Asana. Start by heading over to the Asana website. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to input your email address, the one associated with your Asana account. After typing in your email, you need to click on the Continue button. This will take you to the next step where you enter your password. Make sure you enter the correct password, typing it carefully to avoid any login issues. Once you've done that, click on the Login button, which will grant you access to your Asana homepage. Take a moment to let everything load so that you'll see all your projects right there. Now on your homepage, glance over to the left sidebar menu. This menu is where you can navigate through your various teams and projects. You're going to locate the Teams section. It's usually pretty prominent, but if you have a lot of projects, you might need to scroll a bit. Click on the team you wish to edit. You'll see all of your team members, projects, and other related information. Here's the crucial part: look for a drop-down arrow next to the team name. This arrow is your gateway to making changes. When you click on this drop-down arrow, a menu will appear. Choose Edit Team Settings from this menu. This will open up a new window or a separate area where you can make various adjustments to your team's setup. In the settings window, you'll find multiple options, but our focus is specifically on changing the team's name. Look for the text box labeled as Team Name. You can now click inside that text box and you'll be able to type in the new name you've decided on for your team. Remember, the name should reflect your team's purpose or mission and be easy for all team members to recognize. After entering the new name, ensure everything is spelled correctly. Once you're satisfied with the change, you simply save the settings. Asana will update the information, reflecting the new name across the platform. And there you have it, you've successfully changed your team name on Asana. This simple process not only helps keep your workspace organized, but also ensures clarity for all team members involved. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials just like this one. See you next time.